Welcome to 603-7388 Kingsway. This is one of 3 buildings built by the award-winning developer Cressey. This building is only 2 years old and I've got a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom for you to take. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's north-facing with mountain views, bright, spacious. I can't wait to give you a tour. This is where Kingsway and Edmonds intersect. This comes a dynamic new living, shopping, and working district. It's all walkable, and it's right by rapid transit. King's Crossing by Cressey makes it official. Edmonds is an exciting neighborhood whose transformation is almost complete. This is your amazing, beautiful unit. Here you have your beautiful little foyer, and as you come on through, we are moving into the award-winning Cressey kitchen. And this is absolutely gorgeous. You've got a 2-tone color, you've got the white on the bottom, plus I love this darker wood accent kitchen here. You've got a quartz countertop, a 5-range gas burner stove, and a seamlessly hood fan that is easy to pull in and out. You got a deep, wide undermount sink. And what is absolutely great is you've got all these flush cabinets that has so much storage in it, made for a gourmet kitchen. And this is your fridge. You've got double side fridge as well as freezer. So if you're a foodie like me, you've got tons and tons of space for all your food needs. I really love the accents of Fulgor stove oven. This is really made for a chef or for you. And here is your living and dining room. This is truly made for entertaining. You come on through your kitchen, you've got your beautiful dining space. Plus, you also have a wine fridge. What developer provides that for you? Cressey does. And this is your beautiful living room. You've got your beautiful north-facing unit. You've got beautiful mountains as your backdrop. Plus, floor-to-ceiling windows that bring in so much natural light. This place feels so airy, so bright, and it's so great. So if you're working from home, this is such a unique space that you have got to see. Welcome to your master bedroom. This is where the magic happens. This can fit a king-size bed in here, plus the floor-to-ceiling windows that bring in all this extra natural light. You have also access to your beautiful large balcony, plus tons of closet space, beautiful tall ceilings. Really, what more can you ask for? And this is your beautiful balcony. Imagine enjoying this space during a beautiful summer day, having a glass of wine or a cocktail of your choice. This home really overlooks the beautiful mountains as your backdrop. This is located in the heart of Edmonds, right along Kingsway, where you have tons of restaurants, amenities, and this unit overlooks the beautiful courtyard as well as the amenity room right behind me. If you'd like to book a viewing for this unit, feel free to contact me. My name is Denise Mai, and I'm more than happy to set one up for you.